सुखिनः
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः
सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः
सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः
सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु
सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु।
जीत रहिए, शांत रहिए, अपने जीवन को जिए। इन्होंने हमें वैराग सिखाया, वैराग क्या होता है। इन्होंने अपनी सारी ज़िंदगी को वैरागी अपने लिए इन्होंने हर चीज़ किया, बट ही हैज़ बीन कंसिडर्ड एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट हिज वे ऑफ लिविंग, सो ही इज़ टोटली डिपेंड ऑन द तप, ही इज़ टोटली इन द मेडिटेशन, totally in a cup. His whole life has been in ascetic practices. So if we talk about his family, so after the great devotion he has been married to Shati. After that he has been, a cosmic event has been introduced where he has been introduces the Tandav, where from there we after the death of Sati, after the great devotion of Parvati, he married to goddess Parvati, from where his married life has been started. After that he has two children, one of the Ganesha and Kartikeya. Ganesha has been considered and has been symbolizing as for removing the obstacle, and the Kartikeya, he has been introduced as the victor, means he victor of the war victory. So after that, if we talk about his teaching, he has taught us the Vairagya, meditation. He has taught about the way of living, how we can do our works, how we concisely do our works. That's all. And in our mythology, it has been considered as one of the greatest and one of the spirituality. He is above everything. He is above everything. Whatever exists in our us, whatever exists, we also exist because of him. So that's all for him.
वेल एक्सप्लेन। अगर जिंदगी में मौका मिलता है अमरनाथ जी को दर्शन करने जाना,
Sir, being a Hindu, I have to go there. I have to go for that.
अगर आप भी कभी प्लान करेंगे तो अच्छा हो।
Here you can see Chhat Puja. It is one of the most festival of Chhat. And then they were the people of
Sir, we have shown here the Golden Temple, which is one of the most important cultural area for the Sikh. So here we have shown the Guru Granth Sahib, and these words Anushka and Stuti will explain the further. So Sri Rai, this is Golden Temple made by the fourth Guru, named as Guru Ram Das. And here are all the names of 10 Gurus. Golden Temple, it is the most important and holy place in the Sikhism. Sikhism was founded by the Guru Nanak, who is the first Guru of the Sikhism. He was born on the 1439 and he died in the 1539. His teaching was the only base of the Sikhism. He mainly emphasized on the oneness of all God or Sikhism. He said there is no Guru or no.
Assalamualaikum sir, and my name is Palak. I would like to provide you with the biography of Prophet Muhammad. The central position is Islam. He was born in the year 573 in Makkah, present-day Saudi Arabia. His life and teachings are available in Quran, the Holy Book of Islam, and in Hadith, which states every in the year 573 in Makkah, present-day Saudi Arabia. His life and teachings are available in Quran, the Holy Book of Islam, and in Hadith, which states every idea of one by him and also inspiring public for the worship of oneness of God. Thank you.
I'm here to Mazar of Nizamuddin Aulia, where people come for the Amarnath and the prayer on the sleep of the God, and we have represented Mata Mridana Nandme, born on May 13, 1956 in the state of Kerala, and born on 1956, as well as she is famous for her embracing hug known as the Hamma's hug, and she is born in the third child of the born on the September 39, 1956.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Here we have also shown a small
We are representing Love House.
And our theme is My Village, My Country. And we are presenting 3 players, ancient.
To create the images that would endure the test of time. And I would like to tell you that the history of cave painting is a journey that takes us back to the upper Paleolithic period around 40,000 to 8,000 years ago.
Sir, together to celebrate their life.
Students leaving their gurus in a common setting, imbibing not only academic knowledge but also imbibing the value of discipline, humility, and the sense of responsibility. And I would like to tell you that the method of education of that time was based on legal method and practical. And you can see that there is an agriculture, and one of the earliest forms of agriculture by ancient civilization was slash and burn farming. And they used tools such as sticks and stones to walk with the soil. And crops were diverse, including grains like wheat and barley, were allowed for trade with neighboring regions, and granaries indicated a centralized system for storing and distributing resources. Thank you, sir.
There are some utensils which are made up of clay and soil. Now imagine the field with the village. Now let's model the medical market. Picture a lively scene with villagers trading goods in a market square. Money wasn't common, it was bartered. There were several products in the market such as wheat, rice and grain. This is a earthen pot which is made up of clay, and it was mainly used for storing grains and water and for cooking purpose. Women used to buy hair products and multani mitti which they used applied on the face to beautify the face.
मुल्तानी मिट्टी
अभी भी यूज हो रहा है मुल्तानी मिट्टी.
As you can see here, campus education was there. Books were so rare, so lessons were often spoken and the students used to memorize it. Thank you, sir. Welcome to the model.
which class you are
7D.
and you right
Legal to order.
As you can see, this is the model of Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat is one of the remarkable development of modern period. Basically, it is a local self-governing body of rural area. It deals with the problems of villages like sanitation facility, water supply, local infrastructure, etc. In modern Gram Panchayat, there are also computers used and internet are used.
लटपट लटपट कमर दामिनी अधर रागिनी मेरे दर आई कैसी सज धज देख मेरे पिया की सावरी जिया से बावरी मेरे अंगना में देखो आज खिला है चाँद.
मैं देखा है बचपन में.
good
already seen that.
This is known as coming up
পরিবারের লোক
We are from the French, representing Africa. The Africa was created by Gustave Eiffel.
The first, we have to see this or this.
Any side.
We'll start from this side.
Good morning, sir. It is a great pleasure that I present this. The London Bridge constructed in year 1894. It crosses the river Thames. It contains majorly of 2 towers each of hope that London Bridge inspires us for decades to come. It has a bascule and suspension type of bridge which opens from between whenever a huge ship needs to cross.
Thank you.
Well explained. Okay.
So it is located in London near the bank of River Thames, and it took around 15 years to be built. So this was built by architect Augustus Pagan, who designed in a Gothic style, which later became a significant part of Britain's culture, and it showcased the tradition of the people. So it has 9 architect who designed
They are called Moi. The actual name is Moi. We belong to Rakuni community. Our ancestors have made this community statue in approximately 1760. The purpose behind this statue was to represent their ancestors and to their burial.
Thank you. It just symbols of the great architecture of the Egyptians. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Well explained. Okay.
Well explained.
1887. It was completed on 31st March 1889. It's total 2 years, 2 months and 5 days. It was a lot of quite of times, but France somehow managed to complete it. But it was not quite easy to finish this project because France is also a lot of controversial topics and a lot of controversial queries to finish this. Because Gustave Eiffel wanted to create it as a great 100 celebrations of French Revolution.
but many other countries were feeling jealous of that, so that they could not just let France go this early and this further. So they just tried to stop France in every corner. But France somehow managed it, and as we know, that it's still the match still building.
hatu tu babu.
Thank you.
Sir, thank you very much.
The melody of the keyboard. The ambience of the stage is what makes it an
लगभग क्लियर है। हाँ, और थोड़ा बहुत तो एक जस्ट पर ये लेवी और
अच्छे मेहनत किए हैं काफी।
What is your name?
So class 2 to 5. 2 to 5.
Go and print this.
Good afternoon. Okay. Enjoy your day. Good afternoon. Praise them. Very good. That is conductor. Hydraulics and they are.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
आप कहाँ हैं
Who has made this? Which class you are? 7C. Good. Uh, 22nd? 24th.
Boy of Japanese cartoon. Yes.
Is also by Aman Raj.
No sir, Aman Kumar.
Aman Raj is from our
इधर देखो, इधर देखो।
Pots and foil papers. These plants also provide us. These recognize the concept of papers and some plastic bottles. Make the project more clear. They use some stone to represent the stone.
Good.
How do we make
Coconut. Yeah, and then
It is a fountain. It is made up of coconut shell, cardboard, plastic, flowers, and stones. It works on battery.
What's the name of the child? What's the name of the Wow.
good, Sarthak. Good. Good. You are vice captain.
Vice captain, sir.
Very good, Mars. Thank you.
Remember this?
I said this is.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, this is Kedarnath Mandir and it is mainly located in Uttarakhand. And as we know that there are 12 totems. In that only, it is the 7th totem. Sir, this is the Kedarnath Mandir and it is situated in Uttarakhand. As we know that there are 12 totems. In that, it is the 7th totem. And in this temple, we mainly worship Lord.
Good.
आयो रे भाया रंगीलो मेहमान छोरा छोरी फर्क न समझे मारे सब पे छलांग आयो रे भाया रंगीलो मेहमान अरे छोरा छोरी फर्क न समझे मारे सब पे छलांग मरवाएगा तू पिटवाएगा तू मत कर मत कर मत कर मत कर घर की छोकरो आयो रे बढ़ गए मारो मेहमान अरे घर की छोकरो आयो रे बढ़ गए मारो मेहमान हो पचरंगी पोशाक पहन तू कौन गांव से आयो तू पटना से या बाडन से या पटियाला से आयो पचरंगी पोशाक पहन तू कौन गांव से आयो तू पटना से या बाडन से या पटियाला से आयो तेरा नाम तो होगा
Of course, it felt as if I had stepped into the world of melodies, and returning from there did not cross my mind at all. Even I was swept away in this beautiful lyrical melody, and the enchanting voice is still echoing my ears. Before moving forward, I would like to give you a quick glimpse of art and craft exhibition going on in the sub. Art and craft, like whispers of the soul, create symphony that paints life with beauty. With this splendid quote, I, Saksham, would like to inform you about the art and craft exhibition going on in the sub-junior assembly ground.
खट खट बाज 10 तक वो न अब तक आया रे तब से हम